So now we're back at the spreadsheet that we started earlier. We're going to be adding some more columns. So the first thing I'm going to do is label the third column out, search engine. So I know where I actually got that search. This could be Google search engine, it could be Twitter, LinkedIn, it could be Facebook. So we're just going to make sure we document where that search was actually performed. The next thing we're going to do is add another header called web address. Actually, I'm just going to shorten it to URL, which is short for the web address. And next, another column for why. This interests me. So this is where you're going to start analyzing and reading through the resource to find out, does it really apply to what I'm trying to do, and do I need to use it? So this was going to be an initial start on thinking about that for each of the search returns you have. Okay, so let's go ahead and get back to the search results we had before. I'm going to go to the first tab I have, the Pancake Pantry. If I am doing a documentary on restaurants that serve pancakes, this might become helpful. I don't want to include this because Pancake Pantry is too specific to Nashville unless I was doing some kind of tourism write-up. I'm not going to use it right now. Now, when I look through Wikipedia, this might have some interesting tidbits that might lead elsewhere. As you know, when you look at Wikipedia pages, there are a lot of cross-linked words So, you know what? Let's delve into Shrove Tuesday, which is a religious holiday. It's a Christian holiday that some churches celebrate. And so my basic search for pancakes has led me to Shrove Tuesday, which I might want to take a look at. So that is the value of this particular search return. So what I'm going to do is go up here and copy the address. I'm going to take it back to my spreadsheet. Here's my tab 1. My keyword was pancakes. And the search engine was Google. I'm going to paste the URL or the address right here. What interests me about the page was it led me to recall Shrove Tuesday, which is a holiday that I used to celebrate as a child. Okay, so for each of the tabs, you're going to be doing this same kind of documentation. Let's do one more example. I have a tab for Shrove Tuesday. I'm going to close that because that wasn't part of our original deal. So here are recipe books about pancakes. I'm not going to be talking about eating, so I'm going to close that. The tab that followed the Wikipedia was Flipping Pancakes with Mathematics, and as I said earlier, it was about statistics. That's exactly what this page is about. And that's of interest to me. Not sure why yet, so I'm going to set that aside to explore later. So again, I'm going to copy the URL. My second tab is, of course, the search term is pancakes. Search engine was Google. And the web URL is pasted in. It's interesting because it led to a page about statistics. Okay, so for each of the tabs, that's what you need to be doing now, is documenting the keyword that you used, the search engine that you used, pasting the web URL, and then a quick, short description of what interests you about the page so that when you come back to it, you can explore deeper if you need to.